Setup to demonstrate internal resistance on Aspec nanotech batteries. Using iCharger 4010 Duo balance boards, using alligator clips pushed in deep into the connectors to get the best possible contact. Batteries are at storage charge. Done yesterday. Batteries were kept at room temperature and starting charge at 5 amps now. Charge rate slowly increasing. Now at 5 amps. Now to check internal resistance. Internal resistances are around 2.5 to 3.5 milliohm. Checking back after a few minutes. Back again at the end of charging. After storage, 1800 to 1900 milliamps put into the packs. Resistance values around 5. And up to 7.7 on this pack. Beeping indicating the second pack also about ready. Charging now complete. It says done on both sides. Resistance values of 5.2, 4.4 on the left side, 7.7 on the right side, and voltages are 1.18, 1.19. Putting the batteries back indoors to get back to room temperature for a discharge test. For comparison, turn the G 4 amp packs, 150 cycles after use in GAUI X5. Charging and internal resistance on these packs is 6.2, 5.6. On the second pack, even a little higher. Other packs, turn G 3.3 and Hyperion packs, internal resistance around 7. Mind you, these packs are a few years old and have about 50 cycles. Another comparison, Nanotech 3.85 amp 6 cell, 65C discharge packs, just flown on X5, just hooked up, batteries at room temperature, internal resistance maximum of 3 milliohm. Packs have approximately 30 cycles. Discharging the packs after an afternoon of rest. Discharge rate 4 amps. Internal resistance around 4. And internal resistance maximum 6.2 on the second battery. Same setup, banana plugs, balancing board. Now about 10 minutes into the discharge, internal resistance around 4 and internal resistance on the second battery up to 7 milliohms. Almost 45 minutes into discharge process, internal resistance nearing 10 ohms on the second battery, still around 6 to close to 7 milliohm per cell. Close to completion of the discharge process at 3.7 volts. Next will be charging back to storage voltage. End of discharge cycle. Resistance values up to 5 and 9. Starting charge again to get back to storage voltage. Initial resistance readout around 10 milliohms. Again, these are values that are unusual for this type of battery in my experience. Battery on the left hand side is taking very long to show resistance values. Again, this is uncommon. Usually resistance values show almost instantaneously. Four minutes into charge cycle. First battery also showing internal resistance and values are around 10. The second battery charging at 4 amps. 4 minutes into charge cycle. About 300 milliamps put into both packs and resistance value in double-digit values. Between 10 and 11. "45 minutes storage charge, 1600 to 1700 milliamps put into the packs, resistance value up to 20 even on the right pack, and values at around 10 on the left pack. These are still the Aspec 4.25 amp packs. Just to round it off, 45 minutes storage charge. Cell voltages 3.86, and on the one that is finished 3.82. Noticeable difference. Second battery finished in 30 minutes. Other pack is still being charged to storage, taking a lot longer than the other pack.